everyone's going to be doing a review of this little Headrush speaker. This is the Headrush. I'm not entirely sure what it actually is. Not maybe a mini beat or something like that. But anyways, it's about this big, so it's smaller than a tennis ball. It's pretty light too. It came with a USB charging cable, which I don't have currently with me. And it also came with a little lanyard thing. I'm guessing you can put it around your neck, around your wrist. This is Bluetooth wireless. I'm pretty sure it has like a 6-hour battery life, maybe 7 hours. It varies depending on usage and a bunch of other factors, but I'm doing a Bluetooth pairing, how to Bluetooth pair, and a sound test. So what we're gonna do is I have my iPad here. I'm gonna press Bluetooth on there. You're gonna hold the power button, which is right there. You see that? Hold the power button. It should pop up on that screen right there. Let's check it out. There it is. It's Headrush 800-7582. Click on that. Oh, you also have a little cool thing at the start. It has like that's the little cool thing at the start. I found kind of cool at the start. Thought it was kind of cool. Nice little thing for Headrush to in there. It blinks blue when it's trying to pair, and when it's in pairing mode, and it stays blue when it's paired. So this has like a little blue LED right there. That's blue LED. I'm just gonna put it right now at about a quarter here. I'm gonna play a really bassy song, kind of. What's this here? Okay, make sure it's connected here. Connected. Okay, it's like go like a quarter volume here. Let's put like 5 feet away from the camera here. Doesn't really sit flat, but it's about half. Here's about a quarter. 3/4, and here's full. That's full volume. So as you can tell, it sounds kind of tinny, but it's not too bad. It's pretty sure this has the one speaker in there, a speaker with kind of like a sub on the back here, so it pounds. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But if I press like that, I can hear the sub. So pretty cool device. They're off like $8 at the stores for like $40. We would have paid $40 for it. So I don't know how much it actually was regular, but it said $40, but I don't think it's actually $40. But this has been a quick review, pairing, and sound test of this little handy Bluetooth Headrush Bluetooth speaker. Thank you guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. That was the unpairing.